Lulama hired Inkabi to kill someone kwaMxenge. Kungabe uThulani noma uAnathi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 8th to the 12th of April 2024 on Monday. Sivuyile and Guhle share an intimate moment. Stocky finally feels like he's realizing his dreams. Lulama is sinking into a depressive state on Tuesday. Sivuyile and Guhle take their relationship to the next level. A curveball is thrown at Stocky and Vuyokazi's relationship. The Mxenge's family dinner gets ruined by Vuyokazi on Wednesday. Nobomi and Ndando want Thulani to face the music of his actions. Ngamlana finds out about Guhle and Sivuyile. Yoliswa's husband is determined to make life difficult for her on Thursday. When Ngamlana keeps Sivuyile and Guhle apart, Sivuyile comes up with a plan to be with him. The Mxengezi comes together for Anathi and Thulani's bachelor parties, something Vuyokazi is not happy to hear on Friday. The wedding day has arrived. Will it be happily ever after? Stocky comes up with a way to solve Yoliswa's problem, but is met with resistance. Guhle changes Sivuyile's mind. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.